Hi guys, so today we're going to show you how to use your ALPHA Detailing Citrus Pre-Wash. So what is citrus pre-wash? Citrus pre-wash is your first step before any shampooing and snow foaming. It has got natural oils in which reduces bugs, dirt, grime, traffic film and everything else that's built up. Step 1, spray liberally onto all the panels, putting a specific focus on the lower half of your bodywork and wheels, as this is where your car is the dirtiest. Then leave it for 5 minutes so it can work its magic. Step 2, now you can either simply rinse off with fresh water before moving on to shampoo, or use it as a step 1 with our pH neutral snow foam, which is allowing both mixtures to work their magic on the dirt. Like I said earlier, you can either use the snow foam or the shampoo. Today we're going to use the shampoo. Expert tip, it is most important to focus on the bottom and the rear of the car, as this is where all the traffic film is often built up. Another great tip is to use the citrus pre-wash onto your tyres to get rid of any old product that has built up, so you can reapply your new product fresh. So if you want to try citrus pre-wash for yourself, have a look at the link below, which you will find your ALPHA Detailing Stockist.